So hi everyone, read this question. Everybody please read this question carefully. The radius of curvature of a converging mirror is 30 centimeter. A converging mirror is, draw the converging mirror, concave mirror, okay? Roughly draw this diagram. After this, what they are saying, at what distance from the mirror should an object be placed so as to obtain a virtual image? So pole and this is focus, this is center of curvature. If you place an object between pole and focus, then there is a special case in case of concave mirror. That is a converging mirror. Clear? Radius of curvature is 30. It is minus 30. F is R by 2. So minus 15. So here focal length is 15 centimeter. So if you place between 0 and 15, 0 and 15, so option D. If you place an object in between this 0 and 15 centimeter, then its virtual image will be formed. Clear? Any doubt? Tell me any doubt. If you want to form an image, you can form like it is behind the mirror. Those things you know very well. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone.